Hey YouTube, quick review of the AduroSmart Era zigbee 3.0 light bulb remote. It'll fit in a single gang application. They don't give instructions how to connect with the Hue bridge because I don't have their included bridge, but it's pretty simple. This off button here, as soon as you go to add remote accessory in the Philips Hue app, you hold down on this for maybe about 10 seconds, maybe 15. You'll see a red LED blinking and you'll know it's connected. Once you do that, you have to do that first or you'll kind of steal the you'll steal the bulbs from the existing Hue Zigbee network. So then once it's actually connected to the Hue bridge, it won't ever show in the Hue app, but it is connected. It's kind of what we had to do for the Lutron connected bulb remotes with Wink and Hue about 5-6 years ago. So, you know, this is how you pair the bulbs. You hold down on the on button for a very long time and then the bulbs will flash. So right now, I'll just show you as a demo. I have, that's on, off, and the dimming is pretty slow, but I mean, it does work, but it takes a while to dim, not like the connected bulb remote, which is almost instantaneous. Unlike the connected bulb remote, pressing on does not bring it to maximum brightness. You actually do have to wait for it to dim completely up. And let's just turn it off. I'll show you, I have a couple different ones connected. So I have this one over here. This one on the side table too. And then the idea is the on-off button and the dim controls all three. And right now I'm going to swap out this Lutron connected bulb remote, which is paired with Philips Hue. For this one, because it's a magnetic, it should be easier to pop on and off without essentially ruining the back of the drywall with two-sided tape or breaking the drywall installing that plate that they give you. Right, this is basically why I wanted to get these new ones, because that was the kind of problem with these ones. With these ones, they're magnetic, and I'll show you that next. So notice that this backing here sticks out pretty far, so you can't really just stick it to the wall, or the plate would be kind of like off, like, like that. So I had to trim away the drywall, and now it kind of fits in there pretty damn good. So I'm just going to tighten everything down and then see how it looks and functions. So I have it on now. I'll probably have to take it off a little later and kind of trim away a little bit more because it's still a little bit, and then tighten stuff. I don't have a gang plate back for the electrical box back there for just the remote. It's just hitting, the wood beam right here because this is where the beam runs. But yeah, like there's room for improvement, but just for the demonstration purposes. And I put this screw here, which brought it back more. Got to get a screw there, and I'll drill it into the 2x4. So let's see how it looks. So you notice when you do this, you can't see it here, but on it says like a little up arrow on this thing, so you know that this is the top one, which has this part here, which that's not the magnetic part, but that's just kind of where, it kind of holds it, right? So let's just see. Good, and then you kind of take it off, and you'd go and leave it on your side table, and kind of when you're done, you put it back. So let's see how it looks with the plate on. And here's how it looks with the plate on. So you walk into the room, you can turn it on and off, and if you do that, turn on the lamps, off, dim, and then if you wanted to take it off, see how easy it is. Kind of difficult with this Lutron Claro plate, but then, you come into the room and you're like, oh, the switch isn't there. That's kind of weird, but at least it's not eating at the drywall. Looks pretty clean, nice, pretty good product, pretty easy to set up. Liking it so far. Thanks, guys.